Okay, I pre-cut my pan outside. I didn't tell you guys that, but I like to measure my shower and try to cut it out there so I'm not having to cut in here except around the curb. Okay, pan. We've got the pan in. You want to make sure that you clean out a lot of these areas. You don't want any mortar, anything hard to sit up under that pan because pressure will end up working a hole in it. I'm going to show you how I tuck a corner. Now, this particular job, the previous contractor had put some furring 3/8 material because he tried to tie into his plaster. We left them. We didn't want to get into it. For us to take it all off and redo everything, it was going to cost the customer too much money. So we just cut that right there because that pan will sit in this area. And because when you let me show you something. When you put these together, this is just kind of tricky here. You want to do this right here. You want to make sure you got a nice little tuck. See that little tuck? And we'll screw that in. And see how much thicker that makes that. So, because when you lay your backer board on this wall, you don't want the backer board to stick out at the bottom like that. So because we've got a little bit of a recess there, that is great for us. So all I do, I make sure I got a nice tuck up against that. It's nice and straight. And I just put a screw right at the top. Okay? And then what I do, I kind of make sure I'm tucked, nice and tucked. I got all my wrinkles out. And I just kind of try to keep that kind of snug there. And I'll put another screw here. And you just keep on going down and you do a tuck at every corner. On this side we dug out for that corner so it'll be a flush condition when the backer board goes in over here, and over in this corner. And we'll have our pan in a minute, and we're going to put our backer board back and get it all screwed in, and then probably start waterproofing the walls. So let me get done with this, and I'll get back with you guys.